How to create a Yahoo email address. I will show you how to do it in just few simple steps. Let's get started. Open a Yahoo Mail application. Then you have to tap onto the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Add another mailbox. Then select Yahoo. You can see the option of Create an account. Tap on it. At the first bar, you have to type in your full name. In the second bar, you have to write down an email address. Then create your password on the third bar. And at last, you have to enter your date of birth. And then you have to tap on Next. Then, the Yahoo will send a verification code to your mobile number via SMS. You have to just enter the code in the provided field and tap Verify. Once verification, your Yahoo email is ready. Tap Continue to access your new inbox. And that's it. You have successfully created a Yahoo email address.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.